So exciting news, I got my package from the Bare Essentials. This is cool. We got a sticker. See how nice the packaging is? It's like the premier experience over here. Wow, that's heavy duty right there. Okay, we got our fire starter and our striker. We got our hemp cord here. But you know, we should probably read the directions first. Let's check this out. Let's see where this QR code takes us. Right to his website, bareessentials.com. And we got the video instructions right here. If you haven't seen this video, it's worth checking out, even if you don't have a ferro rod. He goes over different techniques, the pros and the cons, but each one are effective in starting a fire. And you know what? I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this little pouch. I realized the ferro rod was about the same diameter as a marlin spike, and I already have a marlin spike sheath, so I thought maybe I could just modify it a little bit and make myself a carrier. This was my first attempt. It's very similar to the typical marlin spike sheath. In fact, here's a marlin spike, and you can see it fits right in. The regular sheath is pointed at the end. This one is squared off, and you can see that the ferro rod fits right in there. But after I made this, I thought to myself, well, what about the wax cord and the striker? So here's what I did. I made a triple pouch here. So we got one pouch there, one pouch, and then one right up top. Okay. And so the way this one works is you got to slip in your cord first. We're going to put that in the back. There we go. And then we do our striker in the front. And then we take our rod, and that gets slipped in. It's a pressure fit. There we go. Now, these items are not going anywhere. That's in there so tight. Okay, let's give this a try. This is actually for jewelry making. You can see the spots that I had there. I was making a silver bracelet this Christmas. You can see my rod. I've never struck it before. Here we go, I found the end. Let's pull that out. Now I can feel this has a waxy texture to it. I think we're supposed to pull this apart and use it for kindling. Oh, that was so close. There we go. Yes! Uh-oh. All right, I have to say I'm impressed. That's the first time I've ever used this striker and rod, and I got it in the first 3 strikes. And I'd say by a baseball standard, that's pretty good. All right, let's see how we do with this dryer lint. Oh, that was instant. Nice. Now, if you don't have a leather belt loop holder, you could always use the same cloth pouch that it comes with. Let me show you how that fits inside. Got our rod, our striker, and our cord. And the cool thing about this cord is it's reflective. It has a tracer in there, and it reflects light pretty nicely. Let me see if I can show you. The camera doesn't do it justice, but in real life you can really see the reflection coming off of it. You can kind of see it there. All right, folks, thanks for watching. This is not paid advertising. It's just a cool product from a cool guy. If you'd like one of your own, visit thebareessentials.com.